crisis will be there in life, but what we are looking for is a quick resolution to the problem that is there. We need stability not just in Zimbabwe, but in the region, on the continent. Zimbabwe is an economy that has a role, a country that has got a role to play in the economic stability of Central Africa. So therefore, the earlier the issues are resolved, the better for everybody. So we look forward to the day that this is behind us.
There are indications that human rights organizations are saying what is happening in Zimbabwe is tantamount to genocide. So they are saying that soldiers are actually killing people, they're actually beating up people, and there's a lot of mayhem. So in that context, what can SADC do?
Well, let me defer that to the SADC, chairmanship. There is the security committee that is there, and just like they have intervened in other jurisdictions, as was the case in Lesotho, they should perhaps be stepping up to do something similar and assist with the situation in Zimbabwe.
What is your personal appeal in terms of...
appeal is for peace and quick resolution. We need that in the region.
Why do you think there's always this kind of a problem in Zimbabwe in particular? We haven't seen it much in the world.
I don't think it's always. These are challenges that come up. So we are saying that it's always the case. It's an overstatement. But look, back to the point. Challenges are there. There will be crises from time to time. There is reasons for it. We all look forward to a quick resolution.
But do you see a quick resolution to what is happening? Because the opposition...
There should be an end pretty soon.
Yeah, the opposition is saying even Mr. Mnangagwa didn't win in a good way, so...
I cannot comment on that. I mean, that's something that's an internal matter, but all I'm saying is there is a crisis, and therefore let's find solutions to that crisis.